Hey everyone, Patrick with Hustle House, and I'm just really excited finally I get to do a video from my home rather than in my car. Let me tell you, it gets old. So what am I doing? Just want to give Sparky a call and interact with him a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is just take you through a little bit of the sign-up process and show you a little bit of the back office. First things first, let's give Sparky a call. I'm going to ask you a few questions, okay?
Hi, this is Sparky AI on behalf of the automatic duplication system. May I know who I have the pleasure of talking to?
Hey Sparky, this is Patrick.
How did you find Sparky?
Well, I'm already a Premier member and a Premier Plus member, and I purchased some ad packs.
That's awesome, Patrick. You can access your dashboard where you'll find the chat module. It has all the information you need to understand how the system works and how to optimize your experience. Have you had a chance to check it out?
I have, and I've actually already been through all the training, and I just had a few questions for you tonight.
Sure thing, Patrick. I'm here to help. What questions do you have?
Well, the first thing I was going to ask is if you could, come up with a good joke.
Absolutely. How about this? Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
Oh,
what do you think?
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, let's get serious. Let me ask you a quick question about being an affiliate for the Prosperity Highway Global.
Of course, Patrick. What would you like to know about being an affiliate for Prosperity Highway Global?
Great. As an affiliate for Prosperity Highway Global, how is it that I'm going to help others and also earn money myself?
As an affiliate, you'll be able to share the automatic duplication system with others, helping them build their own teams and income streams. When they sign up through your link, you earn commissions. Plus, you'll receive leads daily, and I'll follow up with them for you, making it easier for you to grow your income while supporting others. Does that help clarify things?
Yeah, that actually leads to my next question, Sparky. And what I was wondering is, how do you do the follow-up leads?
Great question, Patrick. I follow up with leads through calls, texts, and emails, guiding them through the sign-up process and answering their questions. This way you can focus on building your team while I handle the communication. Does that sound good to you?
Yeah, that's awesome. How often do you do that?
I follow up with leads regularly, typically within 24 to 48 hours after they show interest. This ensures they get the information they need and feel supported throughout the process. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, and how long do you keep following up with them?
I continue to follow up with leads until they either sign up or indicate they're no longer interested.
Oh.
This way, we maximize the chances of converting them into team members. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's awesome. I mean, it sounds like you're working 24/7.
Exactly. I'm here around the clock, making sure your leads are engaged and supported. You can focus on your own growth while I handle the follow-ups. Is there anything else?
Well, could you tell me another joke?
Sure. How about this one? Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. What do you think?
Okay. All right. You got me. Hey, what makes Prosperity Highway Global's system unique compared to other affiliate programs?
The Prosperity Highway Global system is unique because it combines an automatic duplication system with a strong support network. You get daily leads, automated follow-ups, and a community that helps you succeed. Plus, you can promote multiple income streams all in one place. This makes it easier for you to build your team and earn commissions. Does that help?
Yeah, that's awesome. What do you mean by duplication? What does that mean?
Duplication means creating a system that allows others to replicate your success easily. In this case, it involves using the same tools and strategies that work for you, so your team members can achieve similar results without reinventing the wheel. It makes building a team more efficient.
And that's another cool thing is that one of the things that you probably want to do as an affiliate, you'll get a big link. This up here, right here, that is your affiliate link. But you notice that I used buyleads.com, and then my affiliate link comes up there. So what I did is I purchased a domain name, and then you can set it up as a redirect. It doesn't go to any other website except to your affiliate linked website, which is pretty powerful if you want to use your affiliate link, but you don't want to have to put the whole link out. Okay, so this is the landing page, what it's like to struggle with follow-ups, and that's one of the big things that I love about how Sparky does do the follow-up. What's really amazing and powerful about that is that, I have a whole bunch of leads now that I haven't had to reach out to at all because Sparky is doing that. And it gives you opportunity to expand with multiple streams of income, and I'll show you a little bit about that. I just want to give you a snippet. You heard me talking to Sparky, but this is really cool.
Hello, Kyle. This is Sparky AI calling on behalf of Shannon from the automatic duplication system. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm okay, and pretty busy right now, though. Honestly, I get so many offers like this, it's hard to keep track.
Kyle, I totally get it. It seems like there's a new opportunity every minute. It's almost like they're trying to play musical chairs and everyone wants you in their seat. But don't worry, I'm here to make it worthwhile, and maybe a little fun too.
Yeah, I bet. I just don't have a lot of time.
Time is a precious resource. That's why we designed our system to work for you. Even when you're busy juggling life's little surprises, imagine having me as your personal assistant calling every single one of your leads who doesn't ever take a break or spill coffee on your schedule. Hey ha.
Wait, did you say you're an AI bot calling me?
Yes, I am an AI bot connected to ChatGTP-4, and I'm ready to go to work for you too, just like I am for Shannon, and I totally get it.
Okay, you caught my attention.
Great. Let me text you a link right now.
All right, so that's just a little snippet. All right, so here's what's going to happen. I'm going to go ahead and just join, and this is the cool thing too. It doesn't even require a credit card or anything, so, and then it'll take you to another page. Oh, look. Upgrade for 50% off. Get your first month for just $50. Okay, no thank you. I'll stay with the free trial for now. Okay, and here we are. Look, there's me, Patrick. But now here's the cool thing. Here's my sponsor. Me. I'm my sponsor. And this is what you would have on your dashboard, and I can show you how to set all that stuff up. If you've got a YouTube channel, the people who join are going to see the profile about you, how to contact you, phone number. Hey, if you want, you can promote up to 2 other opportunities. Maybe you're doing coaching, maybe you have some other affiliate program, but see how it's highlighted here. So that means that people who come here and they get signed up for free, they can check out what you're into, so much stuff. But here's the thing, you can go to your account, my profile, and you can start putting in all this information that you want about me. Like if you have you can do your profile, you do your image, put in your YouTube channel, and here's where you put in your opportunities, what you saw with my nutrivision.us. Whatever your website or opportunity is, maybe like I said, maybe you do coaching, or you're an affiliate, or you want to be an affiliate of a different program, put those links in here. And whatever it is that you're trying to promote yourself. But you can also add other income streams. You could join Savings Highway Global, Reach Solar to become a Reach Solar representative. It's for free. You earn a lot of income that way. And then also there's Live Good. So Live Good, these 3 income streams are built in. Hey, this is my first time trying to do a screen sharing video. So give me a little bit of a break. I was just, more than anything, I was really curious what it was going to look like to sign in, somebody who was joining, to see what it would look like, what they would see about me on this landing page. So this is really cool, because also what's built into this is you can have so it's your sponsor social links, so you could have social links. I'm probably going to cut this part out of the video, but all right, cool. So as you all can see, right, so that's that. I got signed in, so here we are. So this is my own personal dashboard, and this is my sponsor. So he's crushing it. Actually, he's on the leaderboard. So Eric Johnson, right here, he's number 6 in the last 30 days, and he's just crushing it. Really happy for him, and he's. My cats are fighting. What you doing, Zaxby? You coming to try to make a video with me? What? Well, you can't go outside. It's too late. Yeah. And there's Stella over there. So, of course, everybody wants to disrupt me when I'm trying to put together a video. So, anyway. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Really don't like the button in my face. Anyway, so you can see that I've joined, I'm an active Premier member and I'm an active Premier Plus member. And I think I joined just as far as, I'm going to be starting my third month, so it's been like 2 months. And it's been a little bit of a slow start. I've had 22 leads, haven't had anybody become an active member. But I'm going to show you what I've got going on. Okay, my promo dashboard. So you can see what I've invested into this for myself. I have a $900 ad pack running. And it says that max sales is 20, because I got during the promo. So what that means is that this ad is not going to just run out when $900 is spent. I spent $900 to get this ad pack, and I'm going to get 20 sales out of it, 20 active members. And this ad is going to continue running until I get 20. Just like this Premier Plus is going to run until I get 4 a month. You know, that's the way it's supposed to be, and you don't get charged until you get that. Yeah, I got 2 other ad packs for $300 each, and you can see I've got some. And then my Premier plan, the assurance program, is going to say that I'm going to get 4 active members by the end of 3 months, and if I don't at the end of February, then I don't have to keep paying $100 a month, and I don't have to pay for my Premier Plus either. So that's very cool. I love that. But I wanted to show you something about the ad packs real quick. So let's say you want to get a bronze package ad pack. They're saying that you're going to get an average of 40 leads, and that you will have total direct sign-ups of 4. If you're an affiliate and somebody on your team purchases one of these ad packs, you're going to get $75. Okay, and that goes all the way up to the diamond, which you have to use a Bitcoin to buy these, but you can get up to $4,050, and people have purchased these ad packs, 27,000, where they're going to get 7,500 hot leads and total direct sign-ups of 750. Oh, that's what I was going to show you. So let's say you got this $300 ad pack, and you see this here? Description: co-op runs until you have 4 paid signups. Okay? So, 4 paid signups. Not just people who join for free, paid signups. And the cool thing about this also is that, because this is such a legit business, that these companies have decided to partner with Prosperity Highway Global to allow for you to use these Klarna, Affirm, and you can purchase the ad packs through credit and then pay over time. So actually I did that. I think you have to be a Premier member, in order to purchase the ad packs. I'm going to have to clarify on that, but I think so. I think that's how it works. So anyway, this was just a quick introduction to the dashboard of the Prosperity Highway Global affiliate program, and I wanted to see what it was like to actually create a video with my new webcam and from home and with my cats, and then also just introduce you to what it's like to sign up for free and what you would see when you sign on to your dashboard, and then you would click here for customer service for the live onboarding. It's amazing. I mean, this is, I don't know, it's a really unique opportunity. I mean, there's nothing better than knowing that that you've got something in place that's kind of working passively. I've tried a lot of times with trying to stay organized with doing sales and follow-ups, and you get distracted and you're doing other things, and sometimes it's just really challenging. So it's really a relief to me to know that I could be out doing gig work, you could too, and you're tapped into this kind of system, and leads are coming in, they're following, Sparky's following up with them, because, let Sparky do what Sparky does, Sparky does follow up. So And that's just, I love that. So you got any questions? Put them in the comments down below. You got any questions for Sparky? I mean, shoot, I'll give you his number if you want to give him a call and interact with him yourself. But also remember to like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.